Hey, and Gerardo sends you a package. Ooh, buddy. Ooh. Lone Star electric backpack. Had to get the red grips. This thing. Jeez. Awesome. Awesome. I just need a comment on this real quick. So I'm doing the throttle assembly right now. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Domito throttle assembly for this Mototec provided by Lone Star Electric. It's a ride-by-wire system, dude. That's fucking insane. So as I move the throttle, the cable is moving a servo, I guess you call it. It turns the servo, and the servo is electronically sending a signal to the harness that's plugged into. Amazing. Amazing. Throttle and key assembly with the 3-speed switch selector. Thank you. Didn't even ask for that, but threw that in there. Pretty straightforward so far. There's 3 wires. I'm just going slow. Enjoying this. Just enjoying the install. Look at the tools. I've got a fucking Phillips and an Allen key and a pair of pliers. That's it. That's all I got. And a bottle of water. Definitely. Install. Mototec going down. Middle of the night. No time. Gotta do it. Gotta get it done, right? Thanks, Gerardo. Thank you, LoneStarElectric.com. Of itself. Gerardo sets it up so it's very easy. Motor went in there fine. Really tight. Rat's nest right there. That's gonna get cleaned up. Don't worry about it. It's gonna get cleaned up, gonna get mounted. Batteries down there. Check it out. Woo! She whines. Oh, yes. Another bike build in the books. 1500 watt Mototec. Done. Got the Gerardo kit installed. 72 volt, 20 amp hour battery from Electro & Co. Sweet.